I'm about to show you in just a few minutes how to print cast your AI UGC creators. So Sora 2 just dropped, and it's not just another AI tool, it's a total paradigm shift. This entire video generated from a single sentence, one prompt. That's it. But here's what matters. This isn't just about the technology, it's about what just became possible. Think about what creating UGC content meant until last week. You needed actors, you needed to ship products, you needed days, sometimes weeks of back and forth, casting, filming, editing, revisions. Even the fast AI workflow still meant hours of tweaking generations, hunting for usable B-roll, wrestling with rigid templates just to get something that felt real. Well, all of that just became obsolete. What's so good about it is that it captures shaky cam, natural light and inconsistency, tiny imperfections that signal this is real. This is what Sora 2 bakes into videos in seconds, just from a few sentences. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sora 2 to your advantage to create AI UGC content at scale. So before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to make sure you stay up to date with more ad creative tips and how you can use these learnings to scale your ad creatives. Let's get into it. First things first, you need to head over to Higgsfields AI. So this is basically a website that aggregates all the different AI models into one site. And what we're going to do now is click on Sora 2 trends. So what we can see here is that we've got different tabs for different platforms. So basically based on the tab that you click on, it's going to optimize it for that platform. We're just going to stick with TikTok because we want to keep it very real and realistic. As you can see, we've got a place to input the product. What we're going to do is click on that. I've got a product that I got from earlier, just a random face serum, which we're going to add there. Okay, so if we click over here, we can see a bunch of different presets. We can see general, crazy situation. These presets basically help you tell AI more specifically what it is that you're trying to create. As you can see at the side, we have product ads here. So luxury style ad, Japanese unpacking, minimalist corporate, viral ads. We've got UGC. We're actually not going to use any of these presets for now because we're going to use a special prompt. So as you can see, I've put in the serum product here. What we're going to write is Gen Z woman applying the serum to skin and explaining how good it is. Now, one thing that's crazy about this is that it's actually going to generate a script and audio just based on this one single sentence. It's nuts, I know. So if you see from my previous tutorial, we had to go to Google Images to find pictures of UGC creators to generate a new one. Then we had to go to 11 Labs to generate an audio. And then from there, we had to come into Higgsfields. This is literally one sentence, one prompt, and we have a full video. So let's go. We're going to click on generate and see what we get.
This is the alpha serum I've been obsessed with lately. It's packed with retinol and collagen and my skin drinks it up. I just do a couple drops straight onto my cheek and let it melt in. It feels so hydrating but still lightweight, and look at that glow. My texture is smoother and my makeup sits way.
Guys, all I put in was Gen Z woman applying serum to skin and explaining how good it is. We now have a full video of her explaining the different ingredients that are in it, why it's helping with her skin, and obviously look at the detail of the video.
And my skin drinks it up. I just do a couple drops straight onto my cheek and let it melt in. It feels so hydrating but still lightweight, and look at that glow. My
hydrating, lightweight. This is ad copy at its finest.
And look at that glow. My texture is smoother and my makeup sits way.
Texture is smoother and makeup sits way better. This has literally been a few minutes. One thing I forgot to note is that sometimes these videos do end earlier, so make sure when you click on duration, it is the full 12 seconds. So that's just been a quick video just to show you guys the power of Sora 2. If you guys found value from it, make sure you click like and make sure you hit subscribe. If you guys are struggling with anything, just drop a comment. I'm more than happy to respond to it. This is just a quick overview to show you guys how we're using AI UGC for our clients and how we're able to make this content at scale. If you're an e-commerce brand within the 6 to 8 figure range, make sure you click the link below to see how we're helping our clients scale, especially coming up into this Black Friday period. Appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.